Hi, Mark Peters with Westcom. Today we're going to show you how to deploy a wireless call system for emergency situations or to allow patients to place a call from temporary areas. So here we're in a temporary monitoring station. You can see all the bays are numbered 1 through 5, and we are going to place pendants that allow patients to place a call from each one of these bays, and it will show up at the nurse console station. So let's see what we have. In the system, we have 24 pendants. You can receive these also with 32 pendants. We have the nurse console station, which will install at the nurse's station. And then we have the transceiver, which allows the pendant to display when pressed at the nurse console. And then we have the power supply. So I've already taken the power supplies out of the box. So all we need to do to get the system operational is to connect the power supply into the transceiver. And then we connect the transceiver here into the power socket here in the wall. And now we're going to connect the nurse console station over at the nurse's station, and we are going to distribute the wireless pendants. So we'll go over here to bay 4, and a bay 4 is going to receive number 4 pendant. All the pendants are numbered and pre-programmed in the system. We're going to pour here. Here we're at bay 3, and so we're going to distribute number 3 and put the pendant right here for the patient. Now we just need to connect the nurse console station to the power at the nurse's station. So here we have the back of the nurse console station, and we have the power outlet. We're also able to connect it to the Novus network, as well as add radio paging if we wanted to. But we're just going to connect power. So we just plug this in here. And then just like the transceiver, just connect it into a power socket in the wall. It boots up in literally seconds. The green light turns on, so now we are ready to go. So let's test it out. We're going to go over to bay number 3 and place a call. So here's pendant number 3 here in bay 3. Just tap it, press that call. As soon as that happens, it's going to enunciate at the nurse's station. We'll go over there. We can see that there is a light on. And the call is showing up, bay number 3. And this will stay active on the station until we clear it, which just pressing on it clears it right away. So that's what it takes to install a temporary wireless system. It's that easy. Thank you very much.